Hello everyone, and welcome back to the RENSON'sYard. Yard. Were you ever faced with rapid unplanned disassembly caused by a faulty bearing? Well, that's exactly what we're investigating here. Our incident happened at the end of last winter, but luckily we have a spare snowblower. But now with the second tractor on the road, we need to get this snowblower going again. With everything disassembled, the primary casualty has been identified as being the drive sprocket. The bolts for the carrier bearing and the chain will also need to be replaced. Luckily, the damage is limited to one side of the machine, and no internal components will need to be replaced. Welcome back! And yes, it's been a few months, but we finally have the parts and the time and a bit of room to work on the snowblower. So we got ourselves a good fire going. And this is the new part we have to install. The most tedious part of the rebuild was to install the chain. We quickly discovered that you have to remove the oil baffle to get the chain through, but even then, we had to separate it in order to go around all the sprockets. For this step, there's very limited handroom and even less space to see what you're doing. Now that we have all the parts and accessories back on the snowblower, we can refill the oil. What we'll be using is 80W90 gear oil. And you want to fill it up until it comes up to the mark on the dipstick here. Yeah, that's just enough. So in total we've put in, I'd say about 15 liters of oil, because that pail wasn't quite full and we didn't put all of that either, so yeah, I'd say about 15 liters total. Everything's done and it'll be ready to go to work now. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching.